The human body, a vast, fleshy continent, and scattered across its surface are tiny, mysterious islands. We call them moles. You've got them. Your grandma's got them. Even that weird hairless cat on the internet has them. But where did they come from? Deep beneath the surface lives a tribe of artists, the melanocytes. Their job? Paint your skin with pigment. Normally they spread out evenly like a polite audience, but sometimes they get lazy or clingy, and instead of spreading out, they clump together in a little squad and start a book club. That clump is your mole. Congratulations, you have a benign tumor. Don't panic. It's a tumor in the same way a cupcake is a cake. Technically true, but not scary. Now, when do these party guests arrive? A tiny percentage show up pre-installed. Factory settings, straight from the womb. But most of them? They crash the party during childhood and puberty. Thanks to your raging hormones, your skin goes through a mole-pocalypse. Every pimple, every growth spurt. Your body just keeps adding more dots. It's like your skin is playing connect the dots. And you're the dot. And the number one mole catalyst? The sun. The giant nuclear fireball in the sky that gives us life, and also loves giving us extra freckles. Every time you sunbathe without protection, you're basically sending an engraved invitation to new moles. They pop up like uninvited guests at a pool party. So yes, your beach vacation gave you a tan and 6 new permanent roommates. But here's the serious part. Because while 99% of moles are harmless little buddies, there's one villain we need to talk about. Melanoma. You don't need to panic. You just need to remember your ABCs. Not the alphabet song, the skin check song. A is for asymmetry. If you fold that mole in half and it doesn't match, it's not origami, it's a red flag. B is for border. Nice moles have smooth, clean edges. Bad ones look like a toddler drew them with a shaky crayon. C is for color. 1 color? Fine. 3 colors like black, red, and blue? That's not a mole, that's a mood ring, and it needs a doctor. D is for diameter. Bigger than a pencil eraser, that's about 6 millimeters. You might want to get that checked. And E, the most important one. E is for evolution. Has it changed, grown, started itching, started bleeding like it just lost a fight with your shirt collar? If the answer is yes to any of these, don't Google it. Don't put garlic on it. And for the love of everything holy, do not try to burn it off with apple cider vinegar. You are not a witch doctor. Just go to a dermatologist. They have a fancy magnifying glass called a dermoscope. They'll look at it for 30 seconds and tell you if your mole is a keeper or if it needs to be evicted. And if they do remove it, it takes 10 minutes. You'll get a tiny scar, a cool story, and the peace of mind that you didn't let a rogue skin cell ruin your day. So wear your sunscreen, know your ABCDEs, and keep an eye on your spots, because your skin is the only suit you'll ever wear. Make sure it fits and doesn't have any weird stains. This has been your friendly, slightly sarcastic dermatology minute. Now go look in the mirror. Your moles are watching.